With continued global population growth and expansion of urban development, many waterways are polluted and can no longer meet basic uses such as fishing and swimming. A significant source of this pollution is contaminated sediments, trash, debris, and oils that are washed off from roads and parking lots during rainfall events. Removing these pollutants to prevent them from entering valuable downstream systems is essential to revitalizing impaired water bodies and sustaining their good ecological status. In their role as market leaders in stormwater management, Hydro International has developed an advanced, cost-effective treatment device to protect the environment by removing these pollutants from stormwater runoff, the Downstream Defender. Building on over 30 years of research and development, the Downstream Defender is a third-generation advanced hydrodynamic vortex separator that harnesses the natural energy from flowing water to separate and retain stormwater pollutants. The Downstream Defender is a versatile, cost-effective stormwater treatment solution recognized around the world. The unique design of the Downstream Defender provides unsurpassed capture and retention of pollutants during both frequent and extreme rainfall events without bypassing any flow. In order to go above and beyond conventional gravity and vortex separation, the Downstream Defender has unique flow-modifying components that isolate and protect sediment, oil, and floatables from the active separation zone to maximize pollutant capture and retention. The geometry of the internal components and placement of the inlet and outlet pipes are designed to optimize the efficiency by providing the longest and most stable flow path possible. During storm events, contaminated runoff entering the chamber rotates downwards around a cylindrical baffle, creating an outer low-energy vortex. As water passes under and inside of this baffle, a second spiraling column of water is created that rotates upwards between the baffle and center shaft to the outlet pipe. This stable, extended flow path from inlet to outlet pipes makes the most efficient use possible of the separator size by maximizing the time for pollutants to settle and float within the chamber. The long separation time, combined with the vortex motion and interface where the two spiraling columns of water interact, all assist gravity to separate the less buoyant particles into the base of the chamber. Floatable pollutants such as oils, grease, and trash float to the surface, where they are trapped between the cylindrical baffle and chamber wall. Treated water can be safely discharged downstream into stormwater management systems like bioretention or storage and infiltration structures. When rainfall intensity increases, high flows are generated and can present a problem for inefficient separators that do not protect the captured pollutants from being washed out to downstream systems they are intended to protect. While other separators often bypass high flows, the risk of releasing previously captured pollutants remains, and any flow which bypasses the device receives zero treatment. However, because the Downstream Defender has unique flow-modifying internal components, its storage regions are isolated and protected from the treatment flow path. Even when storm water enters the chamber at high flow rates, the isolated storage region remains undisturbed, preventing any resuspension of captured pollutants. All the flow is treated and what is captured is retained, ensuring the highest protection of downstream systems. Maintenance of the Downstream Defender is simple, safe, and inexpensive, as well as important to ensure proper function and maintain high pollutant removal efficiencies. There is no need to enter the chamber, and costly, time-consuming dredging operations can be avoided. During maintenance, the floatable pollutants are skimmed from the top surface of the outer ring, and the sediment storage zone is accessed through the center shaft of the chamber. Seemingly simple in appearance, over 30 years of testing and development has refined the flow-modifying components of the Downstream Defender to deliver a third-generation advanced vortex separator that ensures the highest downstream protection. The Downstream Defender outperforms all other separators through maximizing removal of stormwater pollutants by treating the entire flow, retaining captured pollutants without bypassing untreated flow, minimizing system footprint and excavation requirements, simplifying inspection and pollutant removal procedures.